State government don't throw a salute give all the 18 local government councils with them to increase their revenue from 3 million for the month of May to 120 million for the month of June. Una go remember say Edo State government through the Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu be threatened to arrest the 18 local government council with EFCC sake of say only a go remit 1 million and the other 17 local government remit 2 million wey come make am be 3 million naira in total as revenue to state government for the month of May.
With what we have gathered here today, it's obvious that you people have ceded some revenue points to some individual, which is illegal. It's against the law. No part of our revenue by law is allowed to be ceded to any individual in the state. We have started collecting the names of these people. We'll make it public and we'll invite them. There's nothing we are going to do that will be made secret. We are going to make it public. 18 local government, 3 million in a month as revenue. This one will go viral. 3 million in a month, 18 local government. All of you that are Oga, I will list your name. So local government, this Oga. So local government, this Oga. LO joined them 1 month ago. Then I had you people's name. I'm going to publish the name like that. These are the people, the face of the people collecting 3 million in 18 local government in a month. I'll put it. Between now and end of May, I will personally do a letter for governor to sack you people, and before sacking, they should get EFCC to check your books. True. Get EFCC to check all your books and you'll be fired. Because it can't continue. We can't continue like this.
Oga Shaibu will address members of the State Revenue Committee, contact them when them to increase their revenue and say belle sweet and well as sake of say them arrest some wayo people where they print illegal revenue tickets. A constituent say with this, government go fit fulfill their campaign promise and say reward day for local government where do well.
I want to thank all of us, the councils and the PS for I can see some improvement in our revenue. We are not there yet. Our target is to hit 500 million. But so far, so good. I will like the same way I was angry and I went public. I also go public to say you people are trying this time. At least this month we got 120 million. So that make compared to the 3 million that you people brought that time. So 120 million makes more sense than 3 million the last time. But our target is 500 million. And with what we are putting in place, I can see that we can actually hit 500 and surpass 500. So it's a challenge for us. It's a target that is doable. It's a target that even already, Poboha Ego, Isako West, Esan West, these are local governments that should be leading others in terms of revenue generation. So I want to commend us so far for a great improvement. This is an improvement compared to what we got the last time. And also some of the PS, we arrested some persons that were doing illegal printing of revenue tickets. We arrested them and we are following up the prosecution. So I want to commend you for also being proactive because the news out there, you know me, I'm a street man, forget deputy governor, I'm a street man. The news on the street, because I hear them, the news is on the street is that you people are conniving with them. So if you, with what I've seen for the past 2-3 months, you are now even the ambassador of arrest, you are the one now arresting them. The news on the street is changing now, saying, okay, we thought you were the one. Before they say it's you, now I'm hearing we thought they are the one. So I need that news to continue to change. Me, I'll say it the way it is. I don't know how to clean brown pancake. I'm not a woman. And so I just say it the way I get it. And sometimes when I say it, I see your faces are very strong and disappointed. But it's normal. I expect you to feel like that. But it's also, on your own side, you should also know that I will say it the way it is. Just like I am praising you now. It's the same way when it's not going well, I'll say the same. So I want to seriously commend you because truly, we don't have a choice. Nobody in his right senses, no government in his right senses now want to increase taxes. But we are saying the one that we have agreed to pay. let's just collect. And when we collect, let it enter government account. So that when our people are dragging us on our electioneering promises, we should be able to do those things that we have promised. We should be able to fix those roads. We should be able to give them health care, give them water. When we were campaigning, we didn't say we are going to turn our blood to money. We didn't say we are bringing our money, our own personal money. No, we said we are going to develop our state with what? Taxpayers' money. So if the taxpayers' money is not entering government account, where are we going to get the money to fix this thing? And there are a lot of things that government needs to do. The roads, it's a pinch we have done. So we still have many things to do. Schools, there are a lot that we still need to do in our schools. There's electricity. Now that they've signed the electricity bill, we as a state, you as a local government can generate and sell power. So our people need light. Where do we get the money? It's from taxes. These taxes have to come to us. It has to come to our government coffers. So I want to thank all of you. So we will be having, and there will be reward system. We agree that there have to be reward system, because somebody that is doing well, there must be reward. So when there's a reward system, it helps to also encourage others to do more, because we have a target. And my target is one day, Oredo should be able to raise 500 million in a month. Oredo should be able to raise 500. The least local government in Edo should be able to raise 200 million in a month. So let's start thinking big to the level there. When we come to sit like this, we're talking about billions that have been raised by local government from taxes. Not because we have increased taxes, no, because what we have agreed to be collecting gets into government coffers. The all gas will do its senatorial. Edo South team, Edo North team, Edo Central team. So you will liaise with the union, with the security agency, and the partners should be part of it, so that they can also help to direct one or two things from the technical perspective, and to speak to one or two that is very key, which is the setting up the revenue monitoring team, because now that we are doing well, we need to sustain the tempo and get to our target. Then I hear on the street too, and we just dey collect, waiting be our own. So that our own is the reward system that we should also put in place. So those two are critical, because when you give people reward, they will not have to now go on that table. They will let everything to be on top of the table. Then our oppressors will also tell us how they want to continue to oppress us and how we want them to help us. You know our oppressors now, so they will not agree, but they are oppressors. You know, I'm with you. I'm with you on this one. So thank you very much.
From Government House Benin City, A. Carter, Ojesili, TMC TV News.